April Bay has this amazing tactical duffel bag. If you're going hunting or things like that, or if you're looking for a gym bag, or maybe you're going out of town and just looking for something. This thing is huge, by the way. I mean, it doesn't look huge, but you can fit a lot in here. So let's start from the inside and go out. So the main big pocket here, you open this thing up and look at this thing. So it does collapse down if you need to like make some space for it, but when you have everything packed into it, it gives you a nice frame to it. So in the main bag, it's really big. You can get 40 liters of stuff in there. It's so big. So the other thing I love about this bag too is you have little buckles here, and you can throw those buckles on, clip them together, and you can tighten this whole thing down, just making it more compact. That way if you have clothes and stuff that might be, filling it up, you can compress them down. And now on the front part, you can see there's like little tactical straps. It has this really cool, just tactical vibe to it. You have another pocket up here in the front. You can see that this thing is wide. You can put a lot of gear in there, like a lot of gear. I also love on the side pockets, there's that little tactical strap look as well. But the side pockets, you can open these up, and again, more space, lots of space. You can put bigger things in there. That way, if you're running out of room in the main compartment, you'll be surprised at how much you can fit on the side pockets, and that it also includes the other side pocket as well. You get identical side pockets. It has this nice hard bottom rubber to it so that, it's kind of protecting it on the ground when it's sitting there. Plus when it's sitting flat with a bunch of stuff in there, it won't roll off. Gives it that extra grip. Maybe have it balanced on top of a suitcase. The top strap, very heavy duty. You can see how it's stitched in like perfectly, so it will hold a heavy load. It does come with a strap that can be buckled in. There's little clips here that you can just easily snap on. I love these kind of like hooks too, because they're so easy to just clip in. Simple as that. And now you can wear this around your shoulder. You could put it on your standard luggage handle. It'll just flip right around there and just sit nice and perfectly. Just a really nice extra bag. Maybe you're traveling somewhere and you might want to be bringing back some souvenirs or extra things that you buy. Something like this, you can collapse down, put it in your normal bag, and then you have a big bag to bring back with you that's not going to take up a lot of space. I love it. I love the black version too. It's just, again, very tactical. It'd be a great gym bag, but you could use it for so much more. I like this thing a lot. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.